Namaste. You are listening to Manav Parichay, Introduction to Humanity. In the last episode, Firdous abandoned old fears and embraced joy and laughter in her new life. Now, more than a year has passed since Firdous and Harishchandra's marriage, and the biggest change is about to arrive in their lives: motherhood. Roli has started calling Firdous Mama, and Harishchandra never tires of praising Firdous's effortless motherhood. Family expansion. One night, Harishchandra made an emotional plea to Firdous: "Now is the time for us to complete our family." The definition of motherhood, Harishchandra explained how carrying a child in the womb gives a woman a special joyful experience that will complete the family. Firdous is now 5 months pregnant. Sitting alone, she reflects on the philosophy of life, placing a hand on her swollen belly. Talaq, a blessing. She thought, if I had a child with Nasir, if it were a son, he could have become a man who gives triple talaq, and if it were a daughter, the sword of divorce would hang over her throughout her life. Gratitude to God. Firdous thanks God that the sad and fearful divorce gave her the joyful life she has today. You will hear how Harishchandra's thoughtfulness motivates Firdous to visit her old home, her Abba Ammi's house. And upon going there, what did Firdous tell her non-vegetarian parents? The new rule: Ammi, as long as I stay here, please do not have meat cooked in the house. Firdous explained that, in the company of a vegetarian husband, she could not accept that the nutrition for the child growing in her womb should come from elements obtained from non-vegetarian food. Does this new life philosophy and voluntary sacrifice by Firdous prove that the companionship of true love leads a person to the depths of life? Stay with me. In Manav Parichay, you will hear Episode 5: Motherhood, Love, and the Philosophy of Life. Firdous's days are passing joyfully in the respect and love she receives from her husband, Harishchandra ji. Their daughter Roli also moves around her, calling her Mama Mama. Now Roli has become more dependent on Firdous than on Harishchandra ji. Seeing Firdous's absolutely maternal relationship with Roli, Harishchandra remains pleased. On many occasions, he does not hesitate to praise Firdous for this very thing. Harishchandra often says,
Firdous, looking at it today, I don't feel at all that Roli was born to someone else and not you.
Firdous laughs and says, you forget about that. The moment I accepted you as my husband, from that very moment Roli also became my daughter and not someone else's. When Harishchandra Firdous's marriage was about a year old, one night during intimate moments, Harishchandra ji said to Firdous,
My beloved, now is the time for us to plan to complete our family.
Firdous said, our family is already complete right now.
Then Harishchandra said, Yes Firdous, if my former wife were alive, I would have said the same thing. But today, since you have become my beloved, I feel that our family will be complete with the arrival of one more child.
To this Firdous said, you say everything so clearly. Then why are you so confused about the fact that this Roli of ours was not born to me?
Harishchandra said, I am not a woman. I have known and understood women by reading and observing them. From this, I know that a woman has a special God-given ability. This is called the qualification of motherhood in a woman.
Saying this, Harishchandra fell silent, but Firdous wanted him to continue sharing his thoughts with her. She is silent, but her eyes are saying, clarify the next thing, my beloved. Harishchandra understands the language of Firdous's eyes. He continues on his own.
When a woman experiences a baby being in her womb, and after nurturing it in her womb for 9 months, gives birth to her baby, the feeling she gets from it is specially joyful for her. The woman who sees her own new form in her child, having become a mother, throughout life. On this basis, I believe that our family will be complete when you give birth to a child.
Hearing this, instead of saying anything, Firdous buried her face in Harishchandra's chest. This loving way of Firdous's consent captivated Harishchandra ji's heart. 6 more months passed since this conversation. Firdous is now 5 months pregnant. She has stopped going to court. Today, Harishchandra is at court and Roli has gone to school. The cook has also left. Firdous is sitting alone on the sofa, lost in thought. She is feeling the baby growing in her womb by placing her hand on her swollen belly and thinking, my uterus is the same today as it was before. If Nasir had not insulted me and had not compelled me for a divorce, the child growing in my womb would be a part of him. Then, the moment I gave birth, the newborn would belong to his religion. he would adopt Nasir's food habits. Whereas now these entire things will be different. In the next thought, Firdaus recalled her sad and frightening situation of receiving the triple talaq from her former husband Nasir in a desolate place. Because of this, Firdaus started thinking, if I had given birth to a child with Nasir, if he were a son, he would have been able to insult someone's daughter with triple talaq, like her ex-husband Nasir. And if it were a daughter, the sword of triple talaq would hang over her head throughout her life after her marriage. After thinking this, Firdaus thanked God for creating the circumstances of divorce from the contentious Nasir. Because of that, although her life was in danger temporarily then, what she has received today ensures her joyful life. Just then Roli returned from school, which broke Firdaus's reverie. Then she became busy with Roli. One night Harishchandraji gently took her into his embrace, kissed Firdaus's eyelids, and asked,
Firdaus, it has been more than a year since our marriage. Since then, you have never gone to your Abba Ammi's house. Don't you feel like going there?
Firdaus heard it but pretended not to. Firdaus was busy experiencing the joy of her husband's loving embrace, in which she did not want any disturbance right now. With a blush of shyness on her fair face and lowered eyelids, Firdaus's face did not seem any less than an apsara, celestial nymph, to Harishchandraji. Due to pregnancy, Firdaus has naturally gained some weight. Due to this, her face has become more radiant and attractive than before. A conflict arose in Harishchandra's mind at that moment, and he began to think.
Is Firdaus's body more beautiful or her mind?
Harishchandraji is a judge. Considering all sides has become his nature. In this conflict, he decided in favor of the mind. His justice says that the attraction of the body is a matter of a few years, whereas the beauty of the mind is needed throughout life. A few minutes passed like this, then Harishchandraji repeated his previous question to Firdaus. This time, in a lazy tone, Firdaus said, My heart does not want to leave you now. Besides, Abba Ammi keep coming here every month or two, don't they? Then Harishchandraji gently increased the pressure of his hands on Firdaus's back and said,
My beloved Ji, such a distance for a few days is endured for social tradition, even unwillingly.
After this discussion, on the third day, Firdaus, along with Roli, reached her Abba Ammi's house. Upon arriving there, Firdaus first said to Ammi, Ammi, for 3, 4, or however many days I stay here, please do not have meat cooked in the house. Firdaus's Abbu was also listening to their conversation. He said,
Daughter Firdaus, how much you used to relish eating it. Has Harishchandra Sahib made you give up eating non-vegetarian food too?
Firdaus replied, Abbu, he did not make me give it up. Earlier, I also thought that I would come here and fulfill my eating pleasures. But now I myself do not have the desire for it.
Ammi anxiously asked, Why, Firdaus, why?
Firdaus said, There are 2 reasons. First, Roli is with me, whom I do not want to show meat being cooked.
Abbu asked, and the second?
Firdaus said, The baby growing in my womb belongs to my vegetarian husband. I do not want its nourishment in my womb to happen through the elements my body receives from non-vegetarian food.
Ammi said, How deeply you have started thinking, Firdaus.
Firdaus said, Ammi, all this is the positive effect of the good company of a good husband on me. If I had stayed with him, Nasir, I would never have been able to experience life with this depth. Now listen to the review, critique, and guidance written by Gemini on this episode of Manav Parichay. Subtitle, Motherhood, Love, and the Philosophy of Life. This episode showcases the psychological and emotional evolution after 1 year of marital life. Harishchandra's philosophy centers on the special feeling of motherhood, while Firdaus's decision to forego non-vegetarian food at her parental home confirms her new moral and cultural life. Character development and relationship. Firdaus. In this part, Firdaus's character has become even more mature and multifaceted. Her comparison between the pain she received in her past life and the joy of the present powerfully illustrates her internal journey. She is no longer just a victim, but a thoughtful woman who deeply understands the positive changes in her life. Harishchandra. Harishchandra's character emerges as an ideal husband and father. His understanding of the relationship between his daughter and Firdaus, and then expressing the desire for one more child to complete the family, reflects his sensitive and mature nature. His philosophical thought, which he expressed on the qualification of motherhood in a woman, is very beautiful. The bond of family, the daughters blending in with Firdaus and Harishchandra's pride in it, shows that a family built on love and respect transcends biological ties. This is a very modern and beautiful definition of family. Depth of themes. This episode touches upon several important themes in a very poignant manner. Liberation from pain. Firdaus recalling her past and then thinking how the divorce from Nasir gave her a better life, is a very powerful message. This shows how even a bad experience can give life a new and better direction. Decision and logic. Firdaus's decision to forgo non-vegetarian food at her parents' house shows the firmness of her character. This is not just a sacrifice, but a rational choice to adopt a new life and values. Harmony of body and mind. Harishchandra's comparison between Firdaus's body and mind, and giving more importance to the beauty of the mind, shows how deep and true his love is. The writing in this part has become even more emotional and profound. The dialogue between the characters feels very natural, and their internal thoughts give the story a deep emotional layer. Episode 5 ends.